Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you're having an amazing Wednesday. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. Now, if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell if you want to find financial freedom. So let's talk about it. I had a member of my Discord yesterday message me, said, looks like it could be a buying opportunity today. And of course, yesterday was a down day, and I love buying on down days. But I did caution them and say that, I'm not so sure that it was a good buying day. I didn't buy anything because I believe this could be the start of that retracement that you've heard me talking about if you've been following me. We finally got a little confirmation from the Fed. They've come out, even though they did pause, they also stated that they're likely going to do a couple of more rate hikes this year. Now, the market's already pricing in that they're going to do 2 to 3 rate cuts this year. And, that's a big difference. Because if the Fed's planning to go up another 50 basis points and the market's pricing in that they're going to go back 50 basis points, that's an entire 1% difference between what the market's pricing in and what the Fed's intending to do. And to me, that screams a downturn in the market. And I keep preaching this not because I want to be a bear. I love being a bull, and you've heard me say this. There is always a bull market out there somewhere. We're going to make money no matter what the market is doing. But when the market's like this, I'll be honest, it makes me sad. A lot of people, they see this market, they see it running up, and they're like, all right, next bull market's here, let's make money. When I see this market like this here, I feel sad because I know that there's people out there putting their savings into this, putting their rent money into this. And if the hedge funds start dumping their shares and leaving those people holding the bag, well, I hate to see that. I'm not out here because I want to see anyone get burnt. I'm out here to try to help you make money. I'll never lie to you. I'll never try to put you onto something that I'm not trading myself. So, I want to see you make money, not get caught holding the bag. And so that's why I try to tell people right now is a time that if you're trading, you need to be very careful because I believe that there's a downturn coming. You need to make sure you're picking the right stocks. Now, it doesn't mean that there's no stocks that could be going up because I believe there is. In fact, I called out to my Discord this morning, just a few minutes ago, and said that I'm going to be picking up some Alibaba, and I did. I picked up some Alibaba at $87.10 in the pre-market, and I'm going to be targeting right at open for that to run up around $89. That'll give me about $2 a share profit, and then I'm going to look to get out of it and look for a retracement back. If we get a retracement back this morning, back to around that $87 mark and get a bounce off that, I may pick up some options and swing those options today because we could get another run back up toward around $89 to $90. So I think there's a lot of potential there. There is a ton of potential in crypto. I said on here about 2 weeks ago that I expected around 25,000 to be the floor for Bitcoin. And so far that is held. We've been going through a phase of accumulation. We're getting ever closer and closer to that halving for Bitcoin, which means Bitcoin will be going up. It's what it's always done, and it's what it's going to continue to do despite what anyone else tells you. So, with that being said, with the halving getting closer and closer, we have been constantly setting higher highs and higher lows. We run up massively, and then we start descending, we level out, and then we have another huge run up that's bigger than the last. So we've held that 25,000. We had that flash down. I told you I loaded up on a bunch of coins. I picked up some more Bitcoin. I loaded up on some Cardano. I loaded up on some Algorand, some XLM, some Doge, some Matic. I bought a lot of coins when we had that flash down, When Gensler, we had the article come out that Gensler was going to war with crypto and everything come down. Now we see it running back up. We're already back up to around 28,000. And I absolutely believe that this run up will get us up over that 32.5 to about $34,000 is what I'm seeing in the charts. So I'm going to look at taking profit right there around that 32.5 up toward that 34,000 mark, and then set myself up to be cashed up for that next leg back down for it, a little bit of a retracement, and ride it right back up again. So there's a lot of potential out there. There's lots of opportunities. Do not get discouraged and think just because I'm saying that the market could be turning down that there's not opportunities, because we can make money on the way down. But we want to see that retracement. I don't want to see you go out there and start piling your rent money into buying stocks or buying crypto just to get yourself burnt. This is a game of patience. This is a thinking man's game. And so if you don't know how to do this, if you're not at the top of your game, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And go down, hit the top link below, join the Discord, okay? Super simple. Just click the link, join the Discord. You'll be able to come on there, ask me questions. We're always bouncing around ideas for investments, what crypto's hot, what stocks are hot, what I'm buying, what I'm selling. And so get in on that. It's super easy. I want to see you out there making money. I want to see you bettering your life, bettering your financial future. So with that being said, remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers. Until next time.